Hello everyone, this is Chamanisi and right now I'm going to bypass the gun. This is what we call hand driller gun. I bought it for a lower price, £20 um, online store. Thank you for watching this video. This is Chamanisi. Have a good day. Bye. There's a lower voltage of hand driller. It's not applicable to sell in the market. That mostly should have the rechargeable battery intact inside or the bottom of hand driller. Look at that, nakakabit dito yung chargeable ng hand driller. Yan yung old style na hand driller. Kaya hindi siya nag-click sa market. Kasi kulang siya ng modification ng specs ng hand driller. And also, yung voltahe niya, medyo mababa. Hindi siya pwede sa durable capacity pag may mga construction or either household or anywhere. Yeah, this is just a representation of the industrial materials and electrical for portable hand drillers. That's all. Bye. Hi everyone, this is Chamanisi and thank you for watching this. And right now I'm still bypass the little hand driller moving 1 inch, half inch of screw. By this little screwdriver set. This is my first time to open and bypass this hand driller. This dynamo is right there. It's got like a head inside of hand driller. It's like a turbo with 12 volts in current for AC direct current or this lower voltage of battery. Lion, lithium ion, rechargeable. Carbon is not applicable when you charge it here in hand driller. New one. Thank you for watching the video. This is German Kiss. Take care. Always have a good day. Bye. Yan ang kabuuan ng hand driller. Binuksan ko siya. Yan, hiniwalay ko yung lithium ion. Yan yung power circuit. Yung current. Below yung charging battery. This one. Ito yung motor. And dynamo. Nozzle. Adjustment. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.